In this video, I will show how to check a document for compatibility in Microsoft Word. So, firstly, open Microsoft Word. Now, open your file. Now, here, click on File, then Info. So, here is the option Inspect Document. Check for issues. And here, guys, just you have to select Check Compatibility. Check for features not supported by earlier versions of Microsoft Word. You can select your version and you will see the all issues if your document has. So thanks for watching this the way we can check compatibility in Microsoft Word. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.